Hey everyone, welcome back to Mathspire. Today, we're solving a tricky little expression. 4 minus 6 times open parentheses 4 minus 6 close parentheses. Looks simple, right? But be careful, this is where most people get tripped up. Take a second, try it yourself, and then let's solve it together. First, we handle the parentheses. 4 minus 6 equals minus 2. So now the expression becomes 4 minus 6 times minus 2, 2. According to PEMDAS, multiplication comes before subtraction. So we do 6 times minus 2 equals minus 12. Now it's 4 minus minus 12. Subtracting a negative is the same as adding. So this becomes 4 plus 12 equals 16. So the final answer is 16. But here's the catch. Most people make a really common mistake. They go left to right. 4 minus 6 equals minus 2. Then minus 2 times minus 2 equals 4. That wrong answer of 4 shows up all the time, just because they ignored PEMDAS. But wait, before you leave, here's your bonus challenge. Can you solve 7 minus 8 times open parentheses 7 minus 8 close parentheses? Think carefully, drop your answer in the comments, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to Mathspire for more fun math puzzles. Keep on learning.